To achieve financial freedom, avoid these 7 money habits. Number 1. Emotional driven buying. We all have been there. You are finishing up your shopping when an item catches your eye that you absolutely must have. Every impulsive purchase adds up to $100 per month equals to $1,200 per year. When an urge strikes, take a step back and consider your option. Number 2. Using credit cards to incur debt. The first problem is that it's far too easy to spend money that is not really yours. It is possible for interest to run out of control. Cards with zero interest are available to use. When using credit cards to purchase assets that will pay you, make sure your provider offers purchase protection. Number 3. Buying for social status. Our culture is obsessed with looking good in public. In no way should you do this. Your purchases should be wise and appropriate for you. You don't want to keep any relationships based on your social standing. Use your money wisely. Number 4. Lack of budget. Budgeting allows you to understand how much money you have and where it is going. It will assist you with increase your wealth, pay your bills on time, avoid financial pitfalls. Not having one motivates unnecessary spending. Number 5. Avoid the use of an emergency fund. It's critical to be prepared in life because you never know what might happen. Setting money aside keeps you from having to borrow from others and give you peace of mind. You can start small, but you must be consistent. Number 6. Failure to invest. Investing is the only way to create true accumulated wealth. You must conduct research and understand where your money is going. Take the time to comprehend. You don't need a lot of money to get started. You can seek advice. Number 7. Getting comfortable with large amounts of debt. Some things in life, such as mortgage, you may not be able to avoid. Learn to maintain control as your life progresses because debt can easily overwhelm you. Make a strategy and stick to it. Thank you for watching this video. Share with your friends, like and consider subscribe.